How to beat Giovanni in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin and today I'll guide you on how you can beat Giovanni in Pokemon Go. Now as you know, Giovanni is the final boss of Pokemon Go's villainous Team Go Rocket, so you'll need to pull out all the stops to beat him. First you'll have to pull out all the stops of Team Go Rocket. So once you do so, at the final stage you'll get the Giovanni. Now here, after you have valiantly fought your way through Arlo, Cliff, Sierra and plenty of grunts, you'll finally get the chance to take on Giovanni. The boss is a tough competition, so there are certain things you'll have to look out for. Now how do you beat it? Right now, Giovanni is incredibly strong opponent in Pokemon Go, so if you want to defeat it, you'll need to come prepared with some equally strong counters that can target his team's weakness. At the start of every battle, Giovanni always throws out his signature Pokemon Persian. The second Pokemon he chooses is at random from a pool of 3. Finally, you'll face Shadow Regices. So the counters are, there are certain counters that you can use for Persian. You can use Terrakion, you can use Conkeldurr, Hariyama, or you can use Lucario, Machamp, Breloom. Now there is the other one, that is the team of the Giovanni, so that is Nidoking, and the counters are Mewtwo, Kyogre, Garchomp, Glaceon, Galarian, Darmanitan, Espeon. And for Kingler counters you can use Chocatri, Kartana, Mega Sceptile, Shadow Electivire, Shadow Zapdos, and Shadow Luxraps. Similarly for Garchomp counters you can use Articuno, Galarian, Darmanitan, Mamoswine, Glaceon, Weavile, and such. So these are the ways you can use counters, and these are the Pokemon you can use for counters, and you can easily beat the Giovanni in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.